Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to send video clip in Microsoft Teams, specific person or entire the group. How to create, how to record and how to send. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So I just simply open here Teams. And here one of the colleagues, I discuss with him most of some of the project tasks, and I type here, this is a text format, but you can send him video clip less than 1 minute. Look at this here, bottom of this camera options are available. If you record, if you click here, so look at this here, recording video clips coming here, and this recording video clip length is just only less than 1 minute, exactly 1 minute. Here some of the message also available, record screen. And here if you click here, after that your recording screen, here blur screen options also available. For the background point of view, you can blur background image. I just simply click here and my background image is gonna blur, but my video is on, so that's why the little time. If I stop here, and then we can, after change the background image, you can send this video also. Only people those chat can view your clips. By creating a clip, you always record your video, and Microsoft agreements also. Here preview, after sending you can see here preview of this recorded video, the content is really nice or not. If is not, you can trim also, cut, split or delete this clip also. If everything is okay, you just say send and the video clip is sent the particular person. That is the beauty of Microsoft Teams and these features introducing couple of weeks ago. So you can use these tips and tricks like that. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.